Hello my friends, my tutorial 10 knife throwing techniques have now more like 1 million views, but that was years ago. So today we're gonna film the techniques again, more focus on the grip, less talking, add the slow motion and also some new techniques. So let's get started. Conventional half spin. Military half spin, control with the thumb. Instinctive half spin, controlled with the index finger. Full spin knife throwing with a hammer grip. Instinctive full spin, controlled with the index finger. No spin knife throwing. Laoshi Wu. Reverse full spin, pushed with the index finger. Underhand 360 flip. No reload, no spin. No reload, half spin. No reload mixed with other techniques. First knife go full spin, second half spin and last no spin. And last, totally new technique. bloody elbow, no spin. So guys, today you have seen many knife throwing techniques. So let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. And if you want to support the channel and get my throwing knives, there is going to be a link for the Wolfram website. But for today, that's it. So thank you everybody for watching. Share, like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.